Howdy, I'm Gary, Dillon Precision's Human Manual. I'm here to discuss tech tips for the Super 1050 Dillon's high-speed progressive reloader. About every 50,000 cycles, you need to lubricate the main shaft of the machine. You only want to use motor oil. We recommend 30-weight motor oil. It's not that picky. If you have 5W20 or 40 weight, that's just as well as 30 weight would be. However, do not use break-free WD-40 or any penetrant type lubricants on this. It's just not heavy enough. You want to take your finger, get it wet with some of the oil, smear it all the way around the shaft on the top, pull the handle down, rinse and repeat. Be sure to be generous with the oil on there, front, get around the back. Then cycle the handle several times to distribute the oil evenly across the surface of the shaft.